So in yesterday's session, we discussed how to create GL master records. So to Bharat, so yesterday you didn't miss anything.
Yes, sir.
We just recap. Okay, nothing else. There is no any issue. Okay, I have given notes also already. Same thing. Okay, what are the mandatory fields to create GL master records, and what is the prerequisite to maintain controlling area. So how to assign controlling area to company code. So the notes I'll ask one of our students to send it to you, so it will be covered. Okay, no worries. Just concentrate on the running topic. Okay, everyone. Okay, new joiners also there any. Okay, so we finished basic settings. So today we are going to start postings. I hope everyone can easily understand this topic. So please concentrate and write down Karan. Okay, you also Karanam. So please start. Okay, writing down. Okay, post GL document. Everyone, please write down post GL document. Post GL document. So see, if you observe here carefully, we made SAP system ready for our users to post GL documents, daily day-to-day GL documents. Okay, we need to test it, right? Correct. Okay, postings are going to be done by end users. Then boss, why you are going to post it? First, you should know right how to post the document. Then only you can train the end users. Then only you can resolve the issues if there are any facing by users. Understand? So now first before going to deploy the product to production develop production system, first you should know, right? First you should test it, right? Then that's why we are going to test it. But live environment, live system, real-time system, that all the GL documents and all the documents, master records are created by end users. Your consultant should define all the settings, make the system ready. That's it. Now I made system ready. We have to test it. Let's test it. Okay, by posting the transaction. Okay, we are able to post the transactions or not in the company code settings where we configured. Okay, so please concentrate. Everyone, write down post GL document. This is the starting home screen. We know very well. In SAP, there are mainly two types of screens are there. One is SAP Easy Access screen. Okay, this is nothing but front-end facing, front-end screen, home screen, where the end users post daily day-to-day transactions, master record creations, and the MIS reports, execution, etc. But before going to post the transactions, if you observe, all the settings required, for our company code to post the transactions are defined by consultant in backend IMG screen. Example, company code, and fiscal, chart of accounts, fiscal variant, post input variant, all. Okay, we have covered it. Now system is ready. Now users are going to start posting the transactions. Okay, that's what it is. Now you have an idea, right? Who is going to do, which activity, all these things. Okay, so here topic is post GL document. Users, GL users post post GL documents. Accounts payable users, would post vendor invoices like that. Now in this case, we are currently in general ledger accounting. Let's go and post general ledger document. Okay, tell me Vishal, path to post general ledger document. Try. This is the first time I know, but still you can tell me the path. Try to tell me the path to post general ledger document. Let's start. Vishal. Suresh. First you try. Okay, the correct or wrong, I'll correct it. If you don't take the
Accounting.
opportunity and simply sit quiet, that doesn't be good. Understand? Correct or wrong, first you say, for example, even if you say office also I am working. Was office
Accounting.
correct chesta. Okay, so that's why accounting,
financial accounting,
financial accounting,
general ledger,
ante ade logic వెళ్ళిపోవాలి అంతే సేమ్
document entry.
అంతే పోలా ఫస్ట్ టైం కదా డాక్యుమెంట్ పోస్ట్ చేస్తుంది. You don't know the path, right? But you could tell the path. Logic is sequence. Okay, which activity can be available where? Logic తెలిస్తే నీకు ఈజీగా అర్థమవుతుంది. So once again, let me explain here. See, if you are going to post the transactions, go to this document entry section. After posting the documents, if you want to display the document, change the documents, go to this section. Okay, if you want to see the ledger balances, okay, go to this section. If you want to create a master record, okay, creation, change, block, okay, go to this master record section. Month end year ending activities are available, okay, in the periodic processing month end activities. And next, all reports are available under information systems. This is the way this structure has been designed. It not only for general ledger accounting, all across all modules. Okay, based on that, now you could here tell me the path, right? That's good. Next to GL questions. So you no need to worry about the path. Path was already given in my running notes. You please go through it. Here you simply write in the transaction code F-02. F-02, and there is one more transaction also, FB50. Either one of these transaction codes we can use to post general ledger document. F-02 or FB50. F-02 or FB50. F-02, FB50. Both can be used. Both can be used. ఏమన్నా నెట్వర్క్ ఇష్యూ ఏంటి? జాయిన్ అవుతున్నావు, డిస్కనెక్ట్ అవుతున్నావు? Everyone, please make sure you have proper internet connection. See here. So general ledger posting, there are two transaction codes are there, F-02 or FB50. Let me explain both, then you will understand the differences. Okay, so this is user friendly transaction, so very simple to post the document here. All fields are on the one layout and we fill it. But here, if you know how to post the document here, you would cover so many additional functions. So better to go and post a document by using this transaction code. If you know this, even if I don't explain also, within 1 minute, within few seconds, you can easily go and post the document here, and finally you understand the difference between these two things. Okay, give me some time, I will explain this. Okay, na? So which transaction code I am going to use? F-02. So, and one more thing, if you know here how to post one document, GL document, the entire FI module, entire FI, not only GL, okay, AP, AR, asset account, entire FI module, how the documents are going to be posted now, you can easily understand 70 to 80%. 70 to 80%, you can easily understand it. If you know this document, how to post it. The same sequence, same pattern. Here you are going to post general ledger document, same table, same structure. You simply change document type of posting case, and the same. Rest of these things is same only. Only document types of posting case. Okay, that's why remember, if you are able to post one document here perfectly with understanding, better understanding, then you can easily understand 70 to 80% data how it's posting in what. Good. Okay, write down. So I have posted multiple transactions earlier, right? But you don't know why we are entering all the details. Today is the time to cover each and every field. So this transaction will take today's session and tomorrow's session to finish it. So please understand. Okay. because this is fundamental for all those things, right? To understand here itself, each and every point in detail way. First, document date. So you are supposed to here enter value in document date. If you get doubt, okay, what is this document? What day, what type of date you are supposed to enter here, right? Write down, please. Document date. Today's date is 9th March 2022. Okay, write down like this. Okay, document date equal to 9th March 2022. Within bracket, current date. Like this, you write down. 9th March 2022. Why did you enter this one? So here current date. First of all, you should understand what is document date, right? Okay, write down here. What is meaning of document date? A date on which the original invoice is generated is called as document date. It is nothing but invoice date. It's nothing but our invoice date. Write down like this. Just write down whatever I say. Don't write down all these points. We'll go one by one. Document date is nothing but invoice date. So invoice can be generated, okay, today or maybe yesterday. For example, yesterday it was generated. Okay, but today I'm going to post the transactions. But your invoice date should not be 10th. How it will be? How you can post the document on 9th and invoice is going to generate on 10th? Understand? It can be 8th, 7th, okay, 1st, okay, fine. Always document date will be prior to posting date. But it will not be, okay, beyond document posting date. It can be anything. Example, 1 month back invoice was generated, but I forgot to post it. Now I received invoice. I am going to post it today. Okay. How you can enter, okay, dog invoice date after 1 month or after 1 day? Okay, understand here functionality first. Okay, accordingly you can enter the values. Don't do by heart. Document date means invoice date. So invoice date always it can be same to the posting date or it can be prior to posting date. But it should okay, it will not be beyond posting date. Good. Document date is nothing but invoice date. Next, posting date. See, I told you the definition. Please write down this definition also. A date on which original invoice is generated is called as document date. Okay, now in simple words, if you define, it's nothing but invoice date. It's nothing but invoice date. Next, posting date. See, I didn't enter by default, it has come. Posting date. Posting date. Same. 9th March 2022. Current date. Current date. Current date. First, you should understand what is the meaning of posting date, right? So write down. A date on which we are going to post the document into SAP system. A date on which we are posting the document into the SAP system. A date on which we are posting the document into SAP system. Correct? Okay. So sometimes both can be same dates or it can be document date can be prior to posting date. Understand? So that's why I entered here. Both are same. Or if you want to enter yesterday date also, fine. Example, yesterday the invoice was generated. Today I am going to post it. That is also fine. No problem. Or you can enter both the same also. Okay, na? Good. So now we understand what the meaning of document date posting date. Document date means invoice generation date. So if you see the invoice, on that invoice you can see the document date. That is called document date. Post date means on which date you are going to post it. So on the same date or different date. Okay. Good. What type of document you're going to post? Vendor invoice, customer invoice, GL document. Example, GL document. So how system will understand the GL document? So SAP has suggested to use the document type SA. SA is for what purpose? General ledger document. So here please write down document type SA. For what purpose? GL posting, GL indication, GL document indication. Write down. Okay, if you are going to post vendor invoice, right? Yeah. If you are going to post customer invoice, right? Yeah, that's what I told you. If you are asset accounting, AA. See, enter FM mode, same process, post invoices. What are invoices? Example, SC. Correct. And next, the document type SA. What does that mean? GL document. Next, enter your company code. What is your company code? FT01. Okay, enter your company code. We are implementing SAP for feature group, right? In feature group, two company codes are there, right? Good Bazaar and Big Bazaar. Okay, this is example Big Bazaar. So this is the company code key I created for Big Bazaar, right? Enter your company code. Enter your company code. Next, you no need to enter the posting period. Posting period is going to be always determined based on the posting date you enter it. Example, if I enter here first, automatically here 10th period, okay, will be determined. Okay, in case if I enter here February month, automatically 11th period will be determined. If I enter here March, automatically 12th period will come. You no need to worry. So based on the posting date, posting period will be determined. Write down. Posting period 12. No need to enter it actually, just I'm telling. Okay, 12. Within bracket you can write down. The posting period would be determined automatically by the posting date entered. Okay, the posting period would be determined automatically from the posting date entered. Okay, even if you don't want to enter also, no problem, automatically it will be determined. Or if you want to enter, you can enter, that's not an issue. Good. Next, in which currency you are going to post the transaction? For example, local currency, INR, post it. Then you no need to enter any rate. In case if you are going to post the transaction foreign currency, USD, then you enter USD. Then you can enter the rate, or else you can leave it blank also. Okay, that's up to you. Okay, I'll explain this later. Next, currency, INR. Currency, INR. Write down. In which currency we are going to post the document? In which currency we are going to post the document? In which currency? Okay, what type of calendar you are following? First unmute. Why we need to post? Okay, 12th period. Posting date period is 3rd, right? Okay, did you remember what type of fiscal year is following?
Accounting
We are
year.
following April to
Accounting
March.
calendar record. Okay, so I am following which year?
Accounting April to March.
April to March అన్నప్పుడు సుబాన్ ఖాన్ ఏప్రిల్ టు మార్చ్ అన్నప్పుడు ఏప్రిల్ ఫస్ట్ పీరియడ్ అయింది, మార్చ్ ఏ మంత్ అయింది? 12th పీరియడ్. అంతేగా పోలా విత్ మరి అదే డౌట్.
Yes, sir. No,
దానిలో
no, sir.
సందేహం ఉంది. నివృత్తి అయినట్టుంది కదా ఇప్పుడు. ఓకే, ఫస్ట్ ఫిజికల్ ఏం డిఫైన్ చేసావో గుర్తుపెట్టుకో. ఏప్రిల్ టు మార్చ్ వి ఫాలో. ఏప్రిల్ అన్నప్పుడు ఏప్రిల్ మంత్ ఇస్ మై ఫస్ట్ పీరియడ్. అకార్డింగ్ టు దట్ మార్చ్ మంత్ ఇట్ బి ఎస్టర్డే. అది నిన్న మొన్న జరిగిన క్లాస్ లో జరిగింది కదా అది. ఓకే, 1 వీక్ బ్యాక్ జరిగిన క్లాస్. ప్రాక్టీస్ 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 ప్రాక్టీస్, దాన్ని మించింది ఏం లేదు. సొంత అన్న కానీ తమ్ముడు కానీ ఇప్పుడు ఎవడు ఏం చేయలేడు, గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి. పర్ఫెక్ట్ గా ప్రాక్టీస్ అయిపోతుంది. కాకపోతే లోపలికి తోస్తాడు, అంటే పంపిస్తాడు అంతే. మహా చేస్తే దాన్ని సర్వైవ్ అవటం అనేది డిపెండ్స్ ఆన్ ఎవర్ నాలెడ్జ్. దట్స్ వై డోంట్ డిపెండ్ ఆన్ ఎనీ వన్. జస్ట్ డూ ప్రాక్టీస్, జస్ట్ ఫాలో మై నోట్స్ ఇస్ మోర్ దాన్ సఫిషియంట్. ఓకేనా, గుర్తుపెట్టుకున్న విషయం. దాన్ని మించి ఏం లేదు. సో ఫ్రమ్ టుమారో, ఫ్రమ్ టుడే ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు ఫినిష్ ది నోట్స్, postings. So from tomorrow onwards, whatever practice you do, I mean not you, everyone do, I am expecting you guys send this screenshot in the group. Then I'll observe ఎవరెవరు ఏం చేశారు అనేది స్క్రీన్ షాట్ నాకు క్లియర్ అవుట్పుట్ తెలిసింది. ఎవరు అప్ టు డేట్ ప్రాక్టీస్ చేస్తున్నారా లేదా. ఓకే, సో ఫ్రమ్ ఓకే టు సో ఫార్ యూ హావ్ కాన్ఫిగర్డ్. దిస్ ఇస్ ద ఫస్ట్ ట్రాన్సాక్షన్ వీఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు పోస్ట్ ఇన్ టు SAP system. That's why I want everyone complete the practice on the same day and send me the screenshot by EOD without fail. If you do practice and you can, okay, you may get some kind of doubts, then you can ask in the next class related to that topic, not future topics. Okay, good. Hope you understand everyone. Thank you. What is your doubt, Enkarreddy? If you post document on 8th and we forgot to 7th day document, is it possible to post on 7th day? Okay, so here to post a document ready, document day to post day to mandate. Okay, document day to post day to mandate. Okay, without entering document date, system will not allow you to post the transaction. Okay, so compulsory document date must be entered. Or by mistake I enter wrong date means nothing is there. Pushkan post chesante SAP lo, it is not possible to delete it. What we can do, we have to reverse the document and post with rectification. That's it. Don't worry. So here document day to posting day to same date or different dates, not a matter, forget. Practice change, please everyone. Okay, this Saturday, Sunday, okay, I'm going to take hands-on session. Okay, means what? From the beginning, whatever topics we covered, I want everyone to open your laptop and look at my screen and the way how I'm configuring, right? The same way I want you also configure the system. And initially you may require some kind of assistance. Okay, so I will take this session and finish it. Okay, after that, still if you require any help, okay, you can post your doubts in the group. Okay, I'll arrange some seniors in your batch, okay, who has good knowledge. Okay, I'll arrange it. So then they may assist you. Okay, na? But before I take the session on the Saturday, Sunday, one round, okay, please complete practice. Then it will be very, very effective. And simple ga any review sessions తీసుకున్న practice లేకపోతే waste. Okay, without doing practice, if you simply attend the classes, no use. So yes, please understand that. Okay, good. Next, okay, I currency INR. What does that mean? In which currency you are going to post the transaction? See, for example, if you are going to post the transaction euro, enter euro. If you are going to post the transaction in Singapore dollars, enter HGD, like this. Okay, but in this case, enter local currency post, INR. Next, rate is this. See, there are two fields, currency / rate. So it means this is currency field, this is rate field. Okay, next, write down rate. Okay, rate. So first currency is covered. Done. Next, rate. Enter exchange rate for foreign currency transactions only if required. That too good if required. enter exchange rate for foreign currency transactions only if required. If required. I'm going to post the transaction INR, so then it's not required. In case if I'm going to post the transaction USD, that time also it is not required. Okay, but if you want, you can enter it. Then system will convert the dollars into INR at this rate. Example, $1,000. Okay, 72 means 72,000 rupees. Like this, it will be converted. If I don't specify any rate here now, okay, in SAP, okay, we do maintain exchange rates. There is one place, okay, to maintain exchange rates, currency to currency for translation purpose. So from that table, it will pick up. I'll show you later after you're familiar to post the transactions in local currency. Then I'll introduce how to post the transactions in foreign currency. So that time you will understand this. Until then, please park it. Okay. Good. We understood how to, okay, what is the field, in which cases you are supposed to enter it. Next, document number, right? Okay, so document number means what? So each and every transaction, not only in SAP, any software, each and every business transaction must be stored under one number, right? It will be generated automatically. Nobody will enter it. Okay, there are in SAP there are two types of number ranges. Okay, whatever settings you have configured so far, all are going to be utilized in the postings time and master records time. So some of the settings covered in master records time. Example, chart of accounts, account moves, etc. Now document types, number ranges, fiscal year, post input variant, field status variant, all those basic settings are going to be covered now in the postings time. Each and every configuration activity function practically are going to see it now. Okay, observe here carefully. Now I'm going to post one document. Okay, if I save it now, example, see, let me complete one transaction. See here, I'm going to post one business transaction. See, some office expenses account data to bank account. If I save it now, the number is going to be generated internally. Save it. See, document number 6 was generated. Did I mention this number for this transaction? No, right? Then how it has come, here I have specified document type, right? Observe here carefully. Document type channel. So if I go to the document types definition place, already we have defined, right? Okay. SAP here suggesting us, this is the place, all the document types are defined in SAP. SAP here suggesting us to use document type SA for GL postings. In this document type, 01 is there, number range. Already SAP was, okay, SAP has set it. If you want, you can change it, but you can, okay, don't change it. Just keep it as it is. For the same number range, okay, in your company code, you maintain numbers 01, 2021, 1 to 1 lakh. Okay, for now, don't maintain full numbers 999999999. Then if you maintain numbers here now, so next GL document, next vendor invoices, customer invoices, you will not have any numbers. So this is the starting number, this is the ending number. So all your financial documents for this year should be posted within this range. So that's why you have to allocate here. Example, 1 to 1 lakh for general ledger document, 1 lakh 1 to 2 lakh to vendor invoices. Like this, you have to allocate it. Good. Number ranges are two types. If I select this, external. If I don't select it, internal. Internal and external. Internal means just now you have posted on document, right? 6. See here. That's automatically update here status. That's internal. Internal means system would allocate the document number. Okay, internally. That's correct. Internal. The external means what, you have to specify the, okay, if I select it, external, then you have to specify the document number here manually. Okay, whatever you want to enter it. Okay, best practice is nobody will enter the document number for each and every business transactions manually. Automatically, internally, the system will generate it. So how the number is generated, you understand? Okay, here I have maintained numbers for first 2021 first period 1 to 1 lakh. The same number 01 specified in the my document type. Same number is specified in document type. Same document type I am using here to post the transactions. Then whenever I post the transaction by using this document type, from where number is coming? Number range information, whatever you have maintained in our company code. Got it? This is the way number will be supplied. Number range is mid of the year mid of, okay, see here. If number range completes in the mid of the year, okay. I already explained it, right? Okay, in this topic. So, example, he's asking, boss, okay, I have maintained 1 to 1 lakh. Actually, just again over. Okay, see what he's asking is, boss, okay, we have maintained 1 to 1 lakh number ranges, but Pusukkana after 3-4 months or 3-4 periods, okay, we perform business transactions a lot, okay, any numbers I put. Then what to do? He's asking. Okay, very simple point. I already told you. See here, to answer to his question, generally, okay, live environment, how it will be, no? 1 to 1 lakh, right? Generally, this is one design decision activity, number ranges. ఎవడు పడితే ఎలా పడితే అసైన్ చేయడానికి ఆథరైజేషన్ ఇవ్వరు. ఓకే, రూల్స్ ఫస్ట్ రూల్. ఓకే, ఎగ్జాంపుల్ 10,000 documents generally we do post in what is the volume of general ledger documents per year? Maximum 10,000 or 20,000. Then they will maintain safe side 1 lakh number ranges. నువ్వు చెప్పిన క్వశ్చన్ కి రియల్ గా అయితే రాదు, రియల్ గా. ఓకే, బట్ ఇక్కడ టెక్నికల్ గా వస్తే ఏంటి అన్నా, ఓకే, ఐ విల్ టెల్ యు ద ఆన్సర్. ఓకే, సో రియల్లీ ఇన్ లైవ్ ఎన్విరాన్మెంట్, ఓకే, సేఫ్ సైడ్ 10,000 వాల్యూమ్ 10,000 documents, but safe side 1 lakh 2 lakh numbers they will maintain it. Okay, so there is no chance at all to complete the number ranges in mid of the fiscal year. For example, okay, he is asking, boss, assume in the mid of the year number ranges completed because we performed a lot, okay, and all the Pusukun documents are put. Then what to do, you know? We have to create the next number ranges. He may get doubt, boss, next number also already used it. Example, see, like this, okay, like this, or maybe 1,000, like this, okay, number ranges something like that. Okay, sorry, existing company for this one. Okay, so he's asking, okay, so documents completed in the mid of the year. Then what to do? Okay, if you go and maintain the next number range, if I enter same 01 and 2021, it will be duplicate. It will be duplicate. And okay, boss, why you are going to maintain it? Okay, I am not going to maintain it. Example, assume. Okay, so he is asking to increase the number. make it 2 lakh. Example. 2 lakh number is already somewhere here I entered. For number is 50. Understand? Or maybe you want to enter 1 lakh, or maybe 1 lakh 1 or something. Next number 1 lakh completed. Next number up to 2 lakh if you enter it, here it is getting overlap. Already we entered it. Then what to do? Okay, you will enter 3 lakh. 3 lakh also is assigned it somewhere. 4 lakh also. So up to 9 lakh, okay, here already assigned. There is no chance. System will not allow you to enter the number without overlap. Then how can I do it? The thing is, okay, next thing is, don't make any changes to that number range. Keep it as it is. Create one additional number range here. Example, maybe separate SCA 2021. What is the next free number? See, up to 10 lakh we already entered right here. So next number 10 lakh to 11 lakh. Like this we have to enter. Like this we have to enter. Okay, and maintain separate number ranges. Okay, and then save it. Okay, wait. Okay, then save it. Save it. Okay, save now. Okay, then what to do? Okay, you have to take this number range. Any key, just to this key it is. Take the same number range key and go to your document type and specify here SCA and save it.
Muted.
Instead of SCA as instead of 01, system will take the numbers from whatever key. Okay, DNO, SCNO, PNO, whatever key you maintain, from there it will take it. But rest of the months in that fiscal year. So next year, okay, if it has to be increased, right? Then again, business users will sit, pass. Okay, so a lot of documents we are posting in the general ledger. Okay, so this number current running number is not sufficient. Then they will change the numbering pattern. Okay, ante tappide, okay, you cannot do it. You cannot increase the existing number. Okay, you have to maintain separate number ranges and create it. Okay, the solution. Ante tappide, there is no any alternative solution. Good. Okay, safe side 10,000 documents 1 lakh maintain చేస్తారంటే దాని మీనింగ్ ఏంటి? అది రీచ్ అవ్వలేదు ఎప్పటికి కూడా ఆ నెంబర్ ఆ ఇయర్ లో. Safe side. Good. Okay, that's why it is not directly done by consultant. This is on design decision activity. Okay, we'll discuss what is the business volume, the business documents volume. Okay, how do I know? Currently they are okay, in the implementation project along with us. From each and every module or process, okay, some core users will be participated along with us from the client side. Then they will give us all the inputs. Boss, generally in organization, accounts payable invoices we do post 1 lakh. Okay, customer invoices 50,000 rupees or like this. So based on that, we have to enter the numbers in SAP. Okay, this is not done by us directly. So you have to collect the inputs from them and we have to maintain it. Some activities are design decision making activities. Good. Good. So now you understand the document number. So document numbers are two types: internal, external. Internal time, so you no need to enter any number here. Keep it always blank. If you are following external number ranges, then you have to enter the number between that range. But nobody will follow external number ranges for numbering series. Okay. For example, if I follow Okay, I'll come to a question later. Leave it. Okay. If I, for example, if I follow, okay, number 1 lakh to 2 lakh, or maybe 1 to 1 lakh, into external example, then each and every time you have to specify number. This document number 450, this document number 459, like this. You have to enter it. Okay, after one time, okay, certain time, you don't know which number was already used it, which number was already used, which number is not yet used it, because system will not update here current running number status. System will not update running number status. NR status means current running number status. See here, for example, if I follow internal now, if you don't select it, it's called internal. For example, if I follow internal, I can see out of this, okay, from this range, how many documents are posted? 86. Then I can understand, okay, 86 documents are posted. In case if I select external checkbox, right, you will not see the status here. How many documents are posted? For example, first document number directly, if I specify here, and if system update the same number status here, that means what? All documents completed. Wrong indication, right? That's why what I'm saying is, okay, internal series matrame system will update the number and status. External series ke system will not update the number and status. So as a result, you cannot understand. So okay, then if you enter one number here, the same number, for example, 459, again if I enter it, it will give you a message. Document number 459, company code FT01, fiscal year 2021, already existed. It will be duplicate. You will enter next number, okay, 6460. That was also there. You will get, okay, mad, right? Unnecessarily. Why you need to enter the document number manually? You don't know which number is free. How do you know which number is free? Okay, up to, okay, one time, okay, it will accept it because there are a lot of document numbers. But after a certain time, you will not know which number was already used, which number is not yet used it. That's why what I'm saying is, when you follow numeric series, numeric numbers here, like this, okay, like this, always better to follow internal series. So when you follow external series means, example, A to Z, no, example, then of course you have to follow external series. A to Z. That means what? A to Z means what? You can enter any number here. My document number here is ABC123, ABC, BBC123, like this enter. That number, same number cannot be repeated. There is no chance at all to repeat. Okay, that's why. Okay, first of all, nobody will enter internal series. First thing, everybody would follow. Sorry, nobody will enter external series. Everybody will follow internal series only. Okay, in which cases it is recommendable. Recommended is only if you follow alphabets A to Z, then only we do follow it. Okay, na? Good. So overall summary wise, what I'm saying is here, document number. Okay, here you are supposed to fill this field only if you are following external number ranges. If you are following internal number ranges, always keep it blank. So please write down document number. Enter value in this field only when we follow external number range intervals for the documents. Otherwise, keep it blank. Otherwise, keep it blank. So in this case, if you enter number now by mistake also, if you don't know, for example, it will give message. Please don't fill the document number field because in this document type you're following in this company code internal series. So please don't follow it. In case if I follow external series, for example, see here, what is my company code? FT01, and here next number, the example 2021, 1 lakh 1 to 2 lakh example. Press enter and then select extra checkbox, save it, example, and then the same 15 or any number. Okay, we have to map it in our document type. Okay, save it. Then same 15. Okay, we have to map it here and save it. Done, right? From now onwards, whenever I post the transaction by using document type SCA, system will look for the numbers against 15 in my company code. Okay, 15 means 1 lakh 1 to 2 lakh, but external numbers, so save it. External numbers, so save it. Okay, example. Now, if I try to post a document, right, it will give error message. Okay, if I fill it or if I don't fill it also. See, example, I'm going to post a document. You have to come back. Whenever you make any changes, better to always come back. Example, I'm not filling it. Going ahead. Boss, please enter the document number. From the number is 15. Okay. 2021 fiscally. It is asking now. Earlier, it is not asking. So then here I can specify my document number 1001. Now it is accepting. Now it is okay. See what it says. Boss, you entered here 1001, but actually number range series you maintained. Okay, 1 lakh 1 to 2 lakh. Okay, good, super. In that case, 100, 100. My choice. Enter it. So this is the way it will accept it. Okay. So that's why best practice is always follow internal series. Then you no need to fill this field. When you follow external, then only you have to fill it. But nobody will follow external series. Always internal series. Good. Good. Now if I try to fill it, no, it will give error message. Don't fill it. Don't fill it. They are not required. Good. Clear? So what did you understand? Enter value in this field only when we follow external number range intervals for your documents. Otherwise, always keep it blank. Next field. What is next field? Reference. What is the use of this reference field? Okay, just write down. Reference. This field can be used to enter invoice document number. Invoice number. This field can be used to enter invoice number or bill number for reference purpose. This field can be used to enter. This field can be used to enter invoice number, bill number for reference purpose. For reference purpose. So if you observe the invoice, so you will see one number, no? Invoice number, tracking purpose. So that invoice number, okay, you can enter here for reference purpose. Example, invoice 123 supply. Okay, one number, unique number will be there on invoice. That number you can enter here in the reference field column or field. Okay, good. So write down. This field can be used to enter invoice number, also known as bill number for reference purpose. Next field, document header text. Write down. Document header text. What is document header text? Write down. This field can be used to enter short text of the document. This field can be used to enter short text of document. This field can be used to enter shortest of the document. Good. One second. Okay, so example, what type of document are going to post? Office expenses, right? You can post like this simply. Office expenses like this. Just for reference, understand what type of document it is. Got it? Good. So this is bill number purpose. This is shortest of your document purpose, reference purpose. What type of document? All these things. For example, when the purchase invoice or foreign currency valuation. So you can mention here foreign currency valuation. Example. Like this short form will be updated. Description. Okay. Short form of your document can be updated in this particular field. Good. Next. Okay, these two fields, if you would like to control it. Example, see here. I already told you. Okay, once again, observe here carefully. These two fields very important. This is to enter reference number. This is to enter shortest of a document. The example, I am not filling these two fields. If I try to post a document, it is accepting to post it. Boss, this is okay. General ledger accounting for general ledger document purpose. Okay, I do agree. Even if it's don't enter, even if it is not enter, no problem. Okay, now I agree. But whenever we are going to post vendor invoices or customer invoices, right? So these fields must be entered it. Fields must be entered it. How we can control it? Those fields. How we can control these two fields? Okay, write down the question. How can we control the field status of reference field and header text field in the header data during the postings? Question, please write down. Entry pointer definitely will be asked. Where can we control the field status of reference field and header text field? These fields I want to set as mandatory. Without filling these two fields, okay, the user is not allowed to post a document. How can we control that? Write down. How can we control the field status of reference field? Header text field in the document, header data during the postings. So what does it mean is while posting the transactions, right? This is called header data. In this header data, how can we control the field status of these two fields? Okay? If I don't fill it, system should not accept us. Where can I control this? Is answer at document type level. Write down answer. I'll show you what it is. Now, if you see the output here and go and configure all the inputs, it will be very easy for you to understand it. Earlier, you don't know why we are performing each and every activity. Now, here you are seeing output. So, each and every conversion activity, whatever you have done, going to be used here. Document type level. So, what does it mean is in the document type, we can control it. So, answer is here the document type. See how to control it. This is my document type, right? Where we have defined SAP configuration side IMG. So logic is here. Whenever I'm going to post transactions by using this document type, reference number document header text should be required during the document entry postings. Save it. Like this, I have made changes here. From now onwards, you know what will happen? Whenever I am going to post the transaction by using this document type, see here what will happen. Sometimes changes will not reflect immediately. Better to always go back and come again. See, example, I am not filling these two fields. Okay, na? I am forgetting. Proceed further. It will give message. Pause. For document type essay, an entry is required in the field header text. Okay. Press the enter it. Boss. Reference field also mandatory. Enter it. Then only it will allow you to proceed the transactions. Got it? But where did I set those two fields? I have set at document type level. For example, if I don't select these two fields and save it, it will not disturb us. It will not ask us. See here, not filling it. Still, I can go further. It's not, I didn't fill it. Okay, very, very important fields. So for GLs, okay, but vendors, customers, okay, whenever you're going to push vendor invoice, there is separate T code, F-43. Whenever I'm going to push vendor invoices, okay, document type KR, mandatory fields. So then you need to go to this respective document type and make these two fields a mandate. Okay, in GL point of view, if you want, you can set it. Otherwise, leave it. But you should understand, right, what is document type and what it controls practically now. Okay, save it. Good. So reference field is covered. Next, header text field also covered. What else? Last field. Translation date. Write down. Translation date. Translation date. Translation date. Write down the answer here. Generally, the translation date is used. Generally, the translation date is used to determine the exchange rate. To determine the exchange rate for foreign currency postings. Generally, the translation date is used to determine the exchange rate for foreign currency postings. If you don't specify any date in this translation date field, if you don't specify any date in the translation date field, then the system would update. The system would update or will pick up. The system will update the posting date as default translation date. As default translation date. As default translation date. Okay. So I'll show you practically what it is. See, boss, if you are going to post the transaction local currency, you don't need to fill this field. Even if you are going to post the transaction foreign currency also, you don't need to fill this field. But what is the use of this field is, okay, example, backend. There is one table. forex table, where we have to maintain the rates, exchange rates. Example, from USD to INR, there are different dates are there, different rates are there. Okay, na? Example. Okay, understand this. This is on table. Okay, anyway, once I come to foreign currency postings, I'll explain it. Just to understand this field, I have to show you this example. Please concentrate. Okay, in case if you have any doubt after you're posting the transactions in local currency, then I will introduce how to post the transactions in foreign currency. That time you'll understand it. No worries. Just concentrate here. Different valid from. Okay, na? Concentrate. Valid from. Okay, USD to INR, 74 rupees from here to here dates. Okay, Manasa. For example, if I post the transaction 28th January 2022, can you please tell me at what rate system will convert the dollar into INR? 28th 2801 2022. If I post one transaction from USD to INR, tell me at what rate it will be converted. Anyway, I'll introduce later, but based on just knowledge wise, if you were able to tell me, tell me. Anyone? Kiran?
76.
76.
నేను ఏం చెప్పాను 28th కదా
It is
30th
72.
date will be active.
72, sir.
72, it is on 15th.
15.
15th to 30th, 72 will not applicable.
వాట్ ఈస్ ద రేట్
72.
72.
ఎక్కడ ఉంది ఇక్కడ సరే ఏది ఇక్కడ కాన్సెప్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ ఉన్నావా చెప్పింది ఎప్పుడు జనవరి ఫిబ్రవరి కాదు జనవరి ఐ టోల్డ్ యూ 28th 2801 2022 అన్నా
76.
56
79, sir. 79. 2nd January, what is the rate? The same rate will apply. Previous date rate will apply.
what is at what rate
79.
79
68.
year.
Sorry, the previous is for 68. So 68.
Allah.
Sir,
Second,
you are posting January
again
28th, right?
fifth, Allah. See here, effective from here to here is 79
yeah.
baht. From
68,
here
yeah.
to here 68.
28, 76.
68.
Where is my posting date? Okay, my date here 28th అన్నప్పుడు ఎక్కడి నుంచి అప్లికేబుల్ అయిపోద్ది from 5th right 68 is
68.
then 72 అంటారు 79 అంటారు క్యారే understand you have to see valid from until you enter next rates, the same rate will be applicable. So 28th, right? Okay, good. Next 4th February, if I post one transaction, tell me at what rate it will be converted. Tejashwini.
70.
Okay, good. 70. And simple, Paula. Super. So this is the way system pick up the rates. Okay, what did I say? 4th February, if I post one transaction, what is the rate system is taking? 70 rupees. Super. Excellent. Good understanding. Same way, let me post it here. 4th February 2022. I am going to post one document, but my invoice date is, as I told you, 28th January 2022. Observe here carefully, bro. 28th January, one document was posted, such an invoice was generated. I am going to enter the document into SAP system on 4th February, okay, in my USD to INR. So tell me at what rate it will be converted. So 28th is my invoice date. 4th is my February. 4th February is my posting date. So at what date it will take here in this case? Okay, very simple. In this case, no, posting date will be updated as your translation date. Whatever rate is applicable on this translation date, no, 4th అంటే ఇది 70 rupees కన్వర్ట్ అవుతుంది. ఓకేనా? యూ వాంట్ టు సీ దట్ దేకో ఇదర్ $1,000 అనుకో ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్, రఫ్గా రౌండ్ ఫిగర్. ప్లస్ ఎంటర్ ఇట్. డాలర్ రేటు 70 rupees లెక్క తీసేసుకుంటాం. డాలర్ రేట్ హియర్ is 70 rupees. Did I specify it? No. What happened? Your posting date, your translation date. Whatever rate is applicable on this date, accordingly it picked up. So what happened here? While posting the transaction, if you don't specify any translation date, then your posting date, your translation date. Observe here carefully. That's why here the translation automatically it is updated. I didn't enter translation date. What did I say? If you don't enter any translation date, then your posting date, your translation date. Then what is the use of translation date? On this date, okay, whatever rate is applicable in a forex table, accordingly it will pick up. So example, see, 31st January to until February 15th, whatever transaction we do post in between, system will convert the data value set 70 rupees. Accordingly, it is picked up. Okay, good. Next, in case if I specify the translation date manually, for example, okay, for example here, my current date 9th. This is my invoice date. Or maybe, okay, example, okay, here. This is my example here. This is my current date. This is my invoice date. This is my posting date. If I don't specify anything here, tell me, okay, tell me what will be my translation date. Suresh Ramireddy. If I don't, yes, super. 9th March automatic update అయిపోతుంది. 9th March ఏ రేట్ అయితే అప్లికేబుల్ అవుతుందో ఆ రేట్ ప్రకారం కన్వర్ట్ అయిపోతుంది. సింపుల్ లాజిక్, ఏం లేదు అక్కడ. ఓకే, హియర్ నో 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 ఐ వాంట్ టు ఎంటర్ వన్ పర్టికులర్ డేట్ రేట్. అంటే ఎగ్జాంపుల్ here 3rd January. Okay, according to 3rd January rate I want to convert it, but purposely I'm entering on particular date. See here, there are 3 dates are there: invoice date, posting date. Actually this document has to be translated according to the for 3rd January date. Now tell me at what rate it will be converted. At what rate? 3rd January data or 9th March data, 28th January data. Yes, correct. Translation date lo edaithe untundo date, that will be used as base. Forget about all the dates. Whatever date is there in the translation date, on this date, whatever rate is applicable, no? 79. Okay, at 79 to look at one. So good understanding. Now it will take 79. That's what it is. So what is the use of translation date? So translation date field generally is required to determine the exchange rate. For what? For foreign currency postings. If I don't fill the translation date, then by default your posting date is translation date. And that date, whatever rate is applicable, according to will be converted. But purposely, if you enter any date here, according to that date, it will be translated. Got it? So far. That's what I told you here very clearly. See here. Generally, the translation date is used to determine the exchange rate for foreign currency postings. If you don't specify any posting date, Okay, if you don't specify any date in this translation field, then system would pick up the posting date as default translation date. Then whatever rate is applicable on the posting date, it will be valid. Okay, now main translation date. One second. The translation date purpose to foreign currency posting purpose. For example, if I am going to post local transactions or local transaction side INR, then you don't need to specify any field. Okay, any value in this field. Always keep it blank. If you are going to post it, then you can enter it. Even if you are posting the transaction foreign currency also, okay, what I'm saying, I don't want you to specify it manually. Automatically, document your posting date will be updated. Or purposely, I want, for example, see here, I will tell you, April to March, for example, currently now. Go to mute, please. I will come to your doubt in a minute, please. See here, okay, this is year ending. Okay, na? Okay, example, March month. Okay, only February, March months open yes. Remaining months all closed it. Okay, September 30th or maybe September 20th, I was supposed to post one foreign currency transaction which is missing now. Okay, so management, I informed management. Management told no problem, you can post in current month. Current month means today's date, example 9th, because that quarter is already that quarter is also already declared and that period is closed it. Now it's not possible to go back and post in that particular period. Then I'm what I should do? Okay, I should post the transaction now in current month. But translation, which month? Which the 20th September, right? 20th September 2021 basis exactly. ఇది ఇవ్వాలి. ఇన్వాయిస్ ఈ రోజు పోస్ట్ చేస్తాం. బట్ ట్రాన్స్లేషన్ INR to USD INR according to this date, whatever rate is applicable accordingly. That will convert. But that day 68 now 70 rupees. How you can convert it? It's not correct, right? It should be converted 68 rupees. So then 20th September 68 rupees was there. Accordingly, we have to enter it. అలాంటి కేసులో పర్పస్ గా manually we will enter it. Otherwise, not required. Even if you are going to post the transactions in foreign currencies. Okay. Good. Now tell me, what was your doubt? Someone was about to ask.
Vasu, here in a foreign currency translation, there is two criteria. Like there is two cases. One is in first case, the posting date will be taken as a foreign currency translation date, and the second case is like when we enter the translation date, then the translation date will be considered as a like foreign currency translation date. Is that correct?
Okay, good, super. See, thing is, I am not going to do foreign currency valuation. Understand? Foreign currency valuation means, like, okay, the comparison. Okay, what is the rate? At what rate you post your invoice? Now month ending, what is the rate and valuation? So that difference you have to post it. Here I am not going to post any differences. I am going to post the transaction foreign currency, but at what rate should be translated is the point here. So this is just translation. Okay, later when you post the transactions, no, I will introduce how to do foreign currency valuation. Valuation differences are different. And rate invoice posting time. Example, see, okay, $1,000 worth material, okay, machinery I purchased from vendor from US. Example. Okay, example 20th February I purchased it. Now I am going to make the payment. At the time I purchased that machinery, so rate was 68 rupees, dollar rate. Now 70 rupees. Understand? See here, when I am going to give $1,000, now in INR 70,000 rupees I am supposed to pay. But as per the date, 68,000 rupees. But now here I am paying extra. I am giving $1,000, but local currency there is a difference. Those differences you have to post it under exchange gain, exchange losses. Okay, that will be covered separately. First to understand translation, how the system will pick up the rate to convert into local currency. Okay, na? Comparison tarat valuation. Okay, good. Okay, so overall summary was, what did I say? Was the translation date field is used to determine the rate. First thing, if I specify the rate, it will take the entered rate. If I don't specify the rate, it will take the rate from the forex table. This one. From here it will pick up. but there are different rates are there. Which rate will be picked up? So based on the translation date. So if you want to specify any particular date, okay, specify it. According it will take. If you don't specify any date, no, your posting date, your translation date. On this date, whatever rate is applicable in this table, accordingly it will be converted. Okay, good. And now next field, cross company code document number. This is not required separately. There is topic is there. Cross company code transactions, there it will be covered. However, you understood cross company code document transactions, we will not enter this number automatically. It will be entered. It. Example, how we enter document number here. Okay, only external cases. Same way here also. When you follow cross company code document number externals, okay, it will be, otherwise nobody will enter. Always keep it blank. Next, partner business area also we don't have a limit. So those two fields we will never use it. So rest of the fields we covered, right? Okay, all these fields come under header data. Okay, document has two sections. One is header section, another one is line item section. In this header data, you understood what kind of fields are there. Done. Now line item information is which account to which amount to which location, all these things you have to fill it. So tomorrow I'll show you, okay, the line item details. So far we covered only one part, document header data. So line item part tomorrow we'll finish it. So by tomorrow everybody will be perfect, okay, to post a document in your company codes on your own. Okay, write down if you want, you can leave for the day. Tomorrow I'll start from here, line item details. Okay guys, so please, okay, start doing practice. I hope everyone has arranged the SAP access. In case if anyone hasn't arranged, so don't cheat yourself. So please get it done as well as possible and get material and start doing practice. Chalo. Thank you all. Okay, Karen, I'll talk to you later. Bye bye.